Hello everyone. Welcome back to Ella Law Tutorials. Today, we're delving into an essential aspect of legal knowledge, the law of property. Whether you're a law student or just curious about how property rights work, you're in the right place. Section 1, the right of ownership. Now at the core of property law is the right of ownership. It gives you power over your property, but there's a twist. Public law plays referee, regulating how you can use it. The right of ownership is a fundamental legal concept that grants individuals the authority and control over a specific piece of property. This right includes the power to use, enjoy, and dispose of the property within the boundaries set by public law. While ownership provides a sense of control, it's important to note that this control is not absolute and is subject to legal regulations to ensure fair use and prevent misuse. Public law, which encompasses various statutes and regulations, plays a crucial role in defining the limitations and responsibilities associated with the right of ownership. Number 2, possession and acquisition of ownership. Possession involves having direct or indirect control over a property, both physically and with the intention to possess. It goes beyond mere physical presence and extends to the intent to exercise control. Possession doesn't necessarily equate to ownership, and the person possessing the property might not be the legal owner. Number 3, acquisition of ownership. Acquiring ownership can happen in two ways. You can either acquire ownership by occupation or by prescription. Now what does that mean? Occupation, this method involves seizing property that doesn't belong to anyone. For example, capturing a wild bird that has no owner establishes ownership through occupation. Now with prescription, ownership can be acquired through prescription after 30 uninterrupted years of use. If someone consistently uses a property for an extended period without interruption, they may gain legal ownership. Number 4, movable and immovable property. So let's start with movable property. This category includes items that can be physically moved or transferred easily. Examples are vehicles, furniture, or personal belongings. The acquisition of movable property often involves a straightforward process like delivery, such as receiving the keys to a purchased car. And immovable property, also known as real property or real estate, refers to land and anything permanently attached to it, such as buildings. Acquiring ownership of immovable property is more complex. It requires proper registration at the deeds office, which serves as a legal confirmation of ownership. Even if payment is made, the property isn't officially yours until the registration process is complete. There you have it, a quick journey through the law of property. Remember, this is just the tip of the iceberg. Remember to like, share, and subscribe.